This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's go to discover the history of the charming Massacre Street. I apologize in advance for the fans of Dexter series, but there will be no stories of murders or bloodthirsty killings. Quite the contrary. Its story dates back to the Middle Ages. Indeed, at that time, it was the Massacre butcher's shop where the butchers killed their animals because there were no outside slaughterhouses. I let you imagine the scenes that the inhabitants could witness when they saw the blood of animals coloring the cobblestones. Nowadays, the street is much quieter, and for several years it has been regularly decorated either on the initiative of shopkeepers and local residents, with unusual objects such as umbrellas or lampshades, or on the occasion of the Armada as during the 2019 edition where the street was put on the colors of Russia with white, blue, and red flags and Russian dolls. So, don't be afraid any longer and stroll down this pretty street to discover shops as interesting as each other and a fine example of half-hidden street art.